Hey guys, it's Max, and today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate your liver cleanse course. So here we go. So you're going to start by clicking on your course in the courses page, and here is the full course curriculum here. The instructors, of course, are my parents, Shankari and Yogesh. And then if you click here, then you're going to see all the important information that you're going to need. You can post comments, and then over here is the main recording video, super informative video, Ayurvedic Liver Cleanse Toolkit. On the left here, you have your whole bar with everything in the course. If I scroll down here, then I am going to find one of my favorite parts of the course, which is this amazing recipe for this nettle soup that I really enjoy, that my mom has been making for a while. And yeah, guys, good luck with your liver cleanse, and I hope you enjoyed the video.